Fun fact card, polar bears. Polar bears live in icy, snowy Arctic areas. They are the largest carnivore, which means meat eater, that lives on land. So they're the largest carnivore that lives on land. They are the largest meat eater that lives on land. The males weigh up to 1,500 pounds. That is almost the size of over 7 adult males. So 7 adult guys would weigh the same thing as an adult male polar bear. They can smell very well. They can travel up to 25 miles per hour on land and 6 miles per hour in water.